Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful piece of industrial innovation, the 2026 PVC Pulverizer Machine. If you're in plastic recycling, manufacturing, or looking to upgrade your production line, this machine is one you don't want to miss. Let's break it down from the outside in and see what makes it a true workhorse. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 PVC Pulverizer Machine makes a strong first impression. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, it's designed to handle continuous operation in demanding industrial environments. The reinforced body minimizes vibration, improves stability, and ensures long-term durability. Its modern industrial design isn't just about looks. Every panel is strategically placed for easy access and efficient airflow, keeping the machine cool even during long production runs. Moving to the interior, this is where the real magic happens. Inside, you'll find a high-speed precision grinding chamber engineered specifically for PVC materials. The optimized rotor and blade configuration ensures uniform particle size while reducing material loss. Advanced lining materials resist wear and corrosion, extending service life and maintaining consistent output quality. The internal layout is clean, efficient, and built to maximize throughput without compromising precision. Under the hood, the 2026 PVC Pulverizer Machine is powered by a high-performance industrial motor designed for energy efficiency and torque stability. The drive system delivers smooth, consistent power, allowing the machine to maintain optimal grinding speed even under heavy loads. Advanced cooling and ventilation systems protect critical components, while intelligent control options allow operators to fine-tune performance based on material type and production requirements. Safety is a major highlight here. This machine is equipped with multiple safety features including emergency stop systems, overload protection, and fully enclosed grinding chambers to prevent accidental contact. Noise reduction measures and dust control ports help create a safer, cleaner working environment. Built-in sensors can automatically shut down the system if irregular operation is detected, protecting both operators and equipment. To sum it all up, the 2026 PVC Pulverizer Machine delivers strength, precision, and reliability in one solid package. From its rugged exterior and high-efficiency interior design to its powerful motor, competitive pricing, and robust safety features,